Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, we're going to be reviewing this Woods brand LED solar light. This solar light is for security reasons. You can install these in dark hallways, alleyways, outside of your house, in front of your garage. If you don't have a means to hook it up to electricity, they are fully solar powered. So this one, we ordered it from a company called Grainger, and the brand is called Woods, and it's fully solar. So it comes with a little solar panel. It comes with the actual LED light. It comes with a motion sensor. It comes with a little bracket to install it. And it comes with all of the hardware. It comes with an instruction manual. And it says solar powered rechargeable floodlight. They're a little bit pricey. This one was $99, so $100 with tax and shipping and all that. But yeah, if you guys are in need of like some solar light outside of your front door or in your garage, this would be the perfect light for you guys. It should only be a couple of screws to install it. It shouldn't take too long. And hopefully it helps you guys out if you guys need some solar powered lights. But yes, you can install it on your front door, on your garage, anywhere you guys need some solar powered lights. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.